Ready, two, forward, march. Hold it. Breathe and release.
I pledge allegiance
To the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Okay, breathe. Release. Ready, two, ready, post. Forward, march. Other guard. Hold. Order. Release. Ready, three. Ready, two. Other guard. Fall out.
Thank you. Again, I'm going to start with presenting you with your awards today. Your reading of your names will be by Ms. Watley, Dr. Alcuni, myself, and your class president will be giving your awards. I'm going to go over the criteria again. Cum laude, 3.5 to 3.74. Magna cum laude, 3.75 to 3.99. Summa cum laude, 4.0 or higher. If we mispronounce your name, please let us know so we can fix it while you're coming up to have your moment. And if there's any misspellings on your certificate or anything like that, of course, please let us know afterwards. Please, in the realm of social distancing, refrain from shaking hands and elbow bump or whatever you find appropriate. Right now, Mackenzie Mitchell is your class president, and I'd like to introduce Ms. Watley to present your names.
Good afternoon, everyone, and congratulations on your accomplishment. So I'm going to begin by honoring those with the cum laude status. We're going to begin with Nicholas Elizondo. Deshaun Fields. Patrick Lorenzo. Elena Murata. Ethan Neville. Raina Ralston. And Maya Slava. Let's give those students a round of applause for their accomplishments. Our next students to be recognized are those with the magna cum laude status. We're going to begin with Julie Asperson. Sophie Malacca. Alira Padamata. Raylan Reyes. Jeremy Shaver. Bradley Torres Cotta. Good job. And Jay Touré. Let's give these students a round of applause for their work. Our next group to be recognized for is those that have a 4.0 or higher GPA for the Summa Cum Laude Award. We're going to begin with Toa Altsmeyer. Nina Alti. Maria Alvarez. Haley Anderson. Jessica Asuncion. Michaela Collar. Hannah Freitas. Nicholas DeWolf. Jessica Griffin. Frederick Lewis. your very own president, Mackenzie Mitchell. Camden Palaka. Kahana Pelletier. Ariel Rogers. Algin Torres. Let's give your peers another round of applause for their accomplishments. And now we have a motion was honoring those students in the 10th grade. In the same thing category, we're going to ask your class president, Ms. Sarah Shimakura, to come up. We're going to begin with those in the cum laude status. Kenji Bronson. Raven Rails. Let's give these students another round of applause for their Next to honor those with the magna cum laude status, Gavin de Guzman. And Grace Lindell. Let's give those students a round of applause for their accomplishments. Moving on to those being awarded for summa cum laude status, we have Chelsea Campbell. Emily Hoy. Natalie Oldham. Lindy Osborne. Emmanuel Allen. Kaylee Reeder, Wyatt Ruiz, Rinka Sato, your class president, Sarah Shimakura, and Aya Frisosa. Let's give these students another round of applause for their accomplishments. And now I'm going to turn it over to Dr. Al-Kuni for the closing remarks.
Thank you, Mrs. Watley, and at this time, I'd like to thank all of the staff who has helped us to put this together. It was an awesome feat of work, but we got it together, and we are happy that we could do this and celebrate your successes with you. We will be having our award ceremonies after every quarter, so we will have another for a third quarter, so please, we'd like to see all of you here and more students here up on the stage where we can celebrate all of your successes. And for the fourth quarter, because grades aren't ready, we will have an end of the year award ceremony. So this is what we'll be working with your teachers to celebrate the successes that all of you have. Now with your certificates, you are 9th graders and 10th graders. This is your time in which you are now developing your portfolio. What this means is that these certificates go into your portfolio, and this is defining who you are. And you are telling us, the world, as you go on to upper education, and when you apply for your college admissions and scholarships in your senior year, this is where you will reflect back and show your admission committees your successes. So this is the beginning of building your own portfolio. So great job, students. You've made a wonderful mark for your first year. We have to celebrate your successes. Keep the motivation up, keep the spirit up, and be positive, and we'll see you back again at the end of third quarter. Thank you all for a great job, and we hope that very shortly soon we can also have your parents here to celebrate in your successes with us. With that, good afternoon and be safe. Thank you.